Hey guys, welcome back. This is Raheem. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to speak about a special edition product that is going to be soon released in India. Where the special product is OnePlus watch. It's a Cobalt limited edition watch from the OnePlus. The OnePlus watch Cobalt limited edition debuted alongside the regular OnePlus watch and OnePlus 9 series globally in March 2021. Though its specifications and availability details remained unclear at the time, the Chinese tech company has now launched the smartwatch in its home country, China, and the pricing details is finally out as well. The OnePlus Watch Cobalt Limited Edition, as the name suggests, it is a limited edition watch that features cobalt alloy in its middle frame for a sturdier design, and another new addition includes a sapphire glass cover, which is surrounded by a circular dial with a gold color finish. The packaging is also different, and as expected, the limited edition comes inside a premium box. And in terms of pricing, the Chinese e-commerce website JD.com highlights the cost as CN by 1599, which is roughly in India as 18,200 rupees. The watch will go on sale in China starting May 17th, but its global availability details remains unclear yet. If we speak about the specifications, the watch comes with a 1.39-inch display with a 326 ppi pixel density. The company has designed 50 watch faces, and there is an option for users to take a photo from their phone to create a personalized watch face as well. This smartwatch packs an array of sensors including a heart rate sensor, blood oxygen sensor, acceleration sensor, gyroscope, geomagnetic sensor, air pressure sensor and GPS. Furthermore, the OnePlus Watch Cobalt Limited Edition has more than 110 workout modes to track the fitness activities. User can check the messages, take calls and even control the OnePlus TV with the smartwatch. In terms of battery, the OnePlus Watch is claimed to last up to 2 weeks on a regular usage and for a week for heavy users. I believe if you are already having a OnePlus products, and if you have a OnePlus phone and you're a fan of OnePlus brand, I believe this watch is suitable for the people who are already on a OnePlus family. It's a limited edition watch, but I don't see any difference apart from a couple of hardware changes. This watch has something different from the watch that is released on the March originally. This information is based on the couple of news websites. However, let's wait for OnePlus to announce their specifications and price model for Indian market. Well, that's it for this video guys. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. It will not only motivate me for making a couple of more videos, but also helps channel to grow. Please take care of your health, stay home, stay safe. Thank you guys.